Two rare but potentially dangerous diseases that are spread by mosquitoes have been detected in Maine just this month, although they haven't been confirmed to have infected a human.
Last week, West Nile virus was found in a bird in Portland, and on the 20th, the Maine CDC announced that a turkey in the town of Burnham tested positive for Eastern equine encephalitis.
Those are two examples of a handful of cases across the Northeast, and public health officials are sounding the alarm. Here's NBC's Stephanie Gosk.
Communities across Massachusetts are on high alert after state health officials confirmed the first case of Eastern equine encephalitis in 4 years. The patient, an 80-year-old man in Worcester County.
It definitely makes me think about it. I don't know if I wouldn't go out. I'd probably just wear long pants and long sleeves.
Triple E is a rare but very serious virus that can cause severe swelling of the brain. Symptoms include fever, headache, vomiting, and behavioral changes. According to the CDC, an estimated 30% of those infected will die, and survivors are often permanently disabled, suffering from long-term neurological problems.
We're at a critical time of the year for mosquito-borne illnesses of all kinds, including Triple E, which has a higher risk of leading to hospitalizations and potentially being fatal.
Authorities are so concerned, they've announced plans to spray pesticides from airplanes and trucks across more than a dozen high-risk communities. And several towns have either announced park closures or voluntary curfews, recommending residents limit activity outdoors from dusk until dawn, when mosquitoes are most active.
I think it's absolutely ludicrous.
The safety precautions risk disrupting youth sports just as the school year is getting underway.
This basically shuts our season down from day one.
It comes as West Nile virus continues its menacing march across much of the U.S., with 33 states reporting cases this year, including Dr. Anthony Fauci, the face of the government's response to COVID, who was recently hospitalized and is now recovering at home, expected to make a full recovery.
I think that if you're in a warm part of the country, which is everywhere right now, you should be concerned enough that you should take precautions to protect yourself.
That was Stephanie Gosk reporting there. The CDC recommends taking basic precautions against mosquitoes, like wearing long sleeves and using EPA-approved repellent. In many cases, people with viruses like Triple E are symptom-free, but more serious cases can be deadly.